how to log in into Europcar Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in Europcar Employee Login. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Now, you will be taken to this interface. From here, head over to the first link that says Europcar Mobility Group Information Center or europcar.emobz/info.com. Click on that. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now, to get started with login process, first of all, you have to enter the valid email address associated with your account, and under that, enter your correct password. Again, you would have to enter the memorable date, so select the date that you remember, and after that click on proceed, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's how you can log in into Europcar Mobility Group. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.